Guys, I made this box into this. Isn't it scary cool? I made a mystery haunted house. This is how it looked before.
Now let's see the after.
This is the owner of the house.
Welcome to Mystery Haunted House. To escape, you have to find and collect the 5 candies and the key. Good luck.
You have to take the key from him. So I'll let my sister Hafiza play this game. Before that, look at what she made. It's Chica from Five Nights at Freddy's. So let's take a look at it.
Pizza! 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 Let's go for trick or treating. Where am I? This place is spooky. Oh, it's a vampire Dracula.
It's your time to find the 5 candies.
She's trying to look what to do first. She's looking the rules instructions. Now she have to find the 5 candies in these tasks. She found a candy for more to go. Put it in the collected candy circle. Okay, now let's go find the rest of the candies. Choose treasure number 1 or number 2. In one of them will be trick and the other treat. She chose the number 2. She got treats. But she wanted to see what's in the treasure number 1.
It's Spider.
She noticed that there's one more candy in treasure number 2. She got 3 candy, 2 more to go. She said she wanted to look the plummy box. She found a candy inside this box. Isn't this bat the cutest? Woo! She already found 4 candies, 1 more left. She really wanted to see what's in the coffin. There's the last candy. She found all the candies. Now she have to find the hidden key to escape. She's trying to find it. It was in a coffin, but she doesn't know. She's struggling to find it, lol. It's not in there, girl. Oh my god, she finally found it!
You have completed all the tasks. Now you can escape. You can exit.
Woo! Guys, I did it!
Hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys!